it's Lux, and now we start a new Let's Play. Let me show you. It's Super Scribblenauts Let's Play. I'm starting this. I'm sorry about that. My English is not the best, not really good, because I'm from Finland and I don't know how to talk English very well. But I hope you can still watch this. I hope you can still enjoy. Okay, so there is the top screen, there is the down screen. And let's start new world. Its name is Lux. Okay. Lux. And let's go. Okay, 5th cell presents a German Slagska game. Okay. Art edition, Jan, technical director, Marius Falbusk, later designer, and I don't know. Welcome to Super Scribblenauts. There you can see the upper screen. Okay, you can access the pause menu and skip the tutorial by pressing start ons in control. Okay. Please choose how you wish to control Maxwell. This. Yeah, I know. Can I? Okay, let's do the tutorial. I'm sorry if this is a little laggy, because I don't have the best computer. Okay. Now there's happening something really random. There's water. Now I think we have to swim. Yeah, we have to swim. Okay, let's swim. Don't drown. Yeah, like this. Also, you can move the camera dragging the stylus across the touch screen. Try it now. Okay, like this. Oh yeah. Yeah. I know. Yeah. In the upper left-hand corner, you will find a button shaped like Maxwell's head. Tap this button to center of the camera to Maxwell. Okay, that's Maxwell. Yeah. Like this. Okay, there's happening something again. Okay, the cliff is too high to jump. You can use the notepad to create objects to help Maxwell. Tap the notepad and create a ladder. Okay. We have to make a ladder, we can't do anything else. What? Try making a ladder now. Yes, I will. Stop yelling at me. Just click ladder. Okay, let's put it. Really? I don't really have to do this, but no. Like this. Tap the ladder to have Maxwell climb it. Climb. You're climbing weird. You are weird, because you climbed like that. That's really odd. Okay, it doesn't matter. What? With the right tool, Maxwell can dig through soft terrain, such as dirt. We have to make a shovel. Yeah, shovel. Do you want to see that up screen? If you want, then leave me a comment. But if you don't, then I can take it out. Okay, let's get in there. There's a new hint available. Tap the flashing hint button to see. Okay. Welcome to the hint menu. Boop. Max return with a shovel. Tap him to equip it. Remove. Okay. There's a limit of the number of objects. I know. What? Use the rope to create a giant yellow dog. This is gonna take a while to write. Giant yellow dog. Yes. That's it. Doing. It's a big dog. Sticky or rope like objects can be used to attach things together. Okay, let's make a rope. We do have to do it. Okay. Take it. Stupid rope. Get in there. That wasn't good, but it works. I don't care. Everything, but it has to work. This is lagging, but I hope it doesn't matter. Stop it! Stupid text. We don't need that much. We can do this. We don't have to do that. Stop it! Tutorial! Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is this one. Christmas level. Hey, Christmas is coming soon, so this is good. Level start. Okay. So I know what we have to do. Just what is the one royal star, right? I know it's that. I mean, yeah. That's a candy striped star, right? I know it's that. Okay, so we have to do it there and by next. North star side of a tree. Three star will try to escape when found. Okay, let's knock them out. Let's make a physical of it. I know. Yeah. Let's use a rope. I don't know why, but this is just what I think. Look at this. I can. Yeah, that's the right one. Let's get him. No, don't escape. Stupid rope. Woo! We got it. Boom. Yeah. It wasn't hard because I knew that already. I've done this level because this is the first level. Yeah. Okay, starlight found. Our first starlight. Every time you complete level, you get starlight. Oh shit. Oh, the merits are wrong because don't look at them because I already have other levels done. Maxwell's colors. Oh, huh? Is there a misspell? Is that misspelled? Should be there D. Okay, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Okay, but we will continue in the next episode of Super Scribblenauts. Okay, let's continue next time.